Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys some tips that will help you to improve the quality of the video that you are slowing down on DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump into this video. First tip is to change the motion range of your project. To change the motion range, head over to project settings, master settings and frame interpolation motion range. There will be three options: small, medium and larger. If the video you are slowing down got lot of motion, change that to larger. If it got like normal type motion, change that to medium, and if there is no that much motion, change that to small. So depending on the clip you are slowing down, change this value. Also, I think to notice that the motion range larger will consume more resource while the small will consume less resource. So if your PC is not able to handle this, then you may want to switch to small. Second tip is that use different motion estimation method available on this DaVinci Resolve. These options can be found under Edit tab, Inspector, Retime and Scaling, Motion Estimation. From there you can find around 5 options: Standard Faster, Standard Better, Enhanced Faster, Enhanced Better, Speed Bar. All these options will help you to improve the quality of your slow motion. And thing to notice that from Standard to Speed Bar, the processing power required by DaVinci Resolve will also increase. Standard will use least power, while the speed bar is very processor intensive. The quality of this motion estimation method is like standard faster, standard better, enhanced faster, enhanced better than speed bar. And the thing to notice that sometimes for some clip, the better one will not be the best option. You may want to use the lower one to get the best result for that particular clip. An example is that speed warp should give the best quality, but for this footage, while using speed warp, some of the content of these clips are getting removed while using speed warp. So for this clip, the better one is the enhanced better. It is giving the more good quality result compared to speed warp. Third tip is that if there is a frame distortion on the slowdown clip, just cut the clip where you are seeing the frame distortion, then change the motion estimation of that small part. So by cutting the clip and changing the motion estimation, that small part will use different motion estimation, reducing the frame distortion on that small part. And the choice of the motion estimation should be done by you depending on the clip. Another tip is that change the resolution of clip you are slowing down. If your clip is 4K clip, then change it to Full HD. If it is Full HD, change it to 720p. By doing this, you can improve the quality of your slow motion. Here is an example. On my 4K footage, you can see a lot of frame distortion, while the same footage downscaled to 1080p, the distortion is very less compared to 4K. And next tip is that don't color grade the clip and add slow motion at the same time. First, add slow motion to the clip, then use a render in place to render out the clip as a new clip, or you can use the project render option to render out the clip. After that only color grade the clip. By doing this, you can improve the quality of your slow motion. And the last tip that I want to share is that if your slow motion is giving a choppy playback, that is there is no smoothness in the clip, then you can use this tip. It is little bit processor intensive as we are going to use Fusion for this. So first slow down the clip, then open that clip in Fusion. From the Fusion tab, add a new effect called optical flow. And from the inspector tab of this optical flow, head over to advanced settings, change the smoothness value based on how much smoothness you need on the clip. By doing this, your footage will be smoother compared to not applying this optical flow. Thing to notice that it is processor intensive, so better use render in cache or render in place. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.